So on today's video, we are going to be turning this gold hoop into a macrame chandelier. I want to make one for my daughter's bedroom. We're kind of redoing it for her birthday. So this is going to be one of the pieces I'm making for it. I'm going to do like different colors, like kind of like a rainbow almost for this. So let's go ahead and get into it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bunch of tassels. I'm just going to do them and attach it to like the gold part and have it just hang like that. And then I'm going to make, I guess like I'm going to use spiral knot and make probably 4 lines of it to hang from the ceiling down. I'm going to use the 1mm string to do the spiral hanging pieces of it, and then I have a ton of scrap cord, so that's what I'm going to use to make the actual tassels. I do have a tassel tutorial in my tutorials playlist, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'm going to do a quick version here for you guys just so you can see it really fast. Let's go and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with shades of green first. Like I said, this is all scrap cord that I would like to use up first. And then when we get to like different, if I don't have scrap cord for other colors, I'll go ahead and cut them. So let's start with this dark green first. I'm gonna try and find pieces that are a couple inches long because I want it to be decent sized. You know, maybe like 7 inches long for each piece. So let's go ahead and gather up those. So roughly all the same length. Let's see. And again, if you want to make bigger tassels, use longer lengths of cord. If not, totally fine. Okay, so I have 8 lengths of cord, about 7 inches long. So what I'm going to do is take a 9th piece of cord. I'm going to lay my 8 cuts of cord here, and I'm just going to lay them actually on top of that one. Tie it in half. Okay, I have it tied. Everything's all together. What I'm going to do now is make it vertical. Bring all these pieces down. Like that. So you can kind of see it's almost there already. And then I'm going to get a 10th piece of cord and then tie its little head off. So let's go ahead and find one. Again, you want to make sure they're all roughly around 7 to 8 inches in length, just so everything's kind of the same. Okay. And there you have it, a little tassel. So now I'm going to see what would look better for me to attach it like this, like put a little small string through it, like a clear string, and then tie it to the gold hoop, or if I should just completely undo it and then kind of make the tassel around the hoop. So let's go ahead and see which will work better. Okay, so I did one of each. This one's the tassel that we just made. I just put like a little bit of elastic, like a clear elastic cord to attach it. And then here's one where I attached it directly to the hoop. I like our original one better. I think it looks much better. It has a little bit like more circular of a head than this one. Obviously I knew that was gonna happen, but yeah, I'm gonna make tassels like this. And so all I did was attach it with this clear, elastic bead cord that I had for another project I'm working on actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do a bunch of different colors, and I'm gonna take this one off, obviously. Make a bunch of tassels and just string them around and have you guys follow along with me. Okay, so it is actually day 2 now, and I have a bunch of these tassels done. I did like 4 of every color that I have in stock. Before I do that though, I'm going to take our gold hoop and I'm gonna make the like attachments to it. I'm going to make 4, so 1 here, 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 and here before I add the rest of the tassels like I did this one. And again, we're just gonna use clear string to attach it. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have cut 4 bundles, like 2 cords each, of this 1mm cream cord that I have. Let's see if I can get it better. So what I'm gonna do now is just take each cord and make a lark's head knot on each like sector of my gold hoop, and start to do the little spiral knots. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. I have got all 4 of my arms attached to the chandelier. And then on our next Macrame Monday, we're going to attach, I'm going to use like a key ring. Something maybe like this, like these ones, just to kind of match the gold theme. So I'm going to attach the arms to those one key ring, and then I'm going to attach all the tassels that we made, and I will see you in the next Macrame Monday. Again, thanks for hanging out with me. If you liked this video, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you next week when we finish up my daughter's chandelier for her bedroom. Bye!